Happy Friday! Good Friday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. We are just a few minutes away from 9 o'clock here on a beautiful end of the work week. I think we've earned this one, though. We had so much heavy humidity, oppressive heat. Then we had intense thunderstorms. We had downpours of rain. We had some severe weather yesterday. Today, we finally get I think, a fantastic-looking example of summer weather. We have bright sunshine. We're going to have seasonable warmth, but not the oppressive humidity that we've had in the last 3 or 4 days. So it looks overall like a great situation for us shaping up for our Friday. Looking live outside, this is our Quality Group camera from Assisi Heights. Not a cloud to be seen. Plenty of blue in the sky overhead. Temperatures on their way to the mid-80s, and right now we're cruising through the 70s. Again, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt, and today looks fantastic. The weekend overall, pretty decent. We do have some rain chances that will impact parts of our Saturday, but it's not going to rain all day. We do have scattered shower potential for the afternoon hours, but most of the weekend actually looks halfway nice, halfway fantastic, actually. Blue sky already here in Rochester is 68 as we approach 9 o'clock. 72, meanwhile, in Austin, 69 in Mason City, and 72 in Winona. Keep it in mind, about a day ago, we were still warmer than this at this hour of the day, and it was just warm and buggy. But today, humidity not so bad. Northwest winds have seen to that. They have changed things around, drawing in that drier air from the northern plains. Dew point now in the low 60s, and air pressure on the rise, 29.96 inches of mercury, as high pressure works its way into the area for at least a day. Today, and we'll have another round of high pressure over the weekend on Sunday. But in between, of course, those shower chances sandwiched in. High temperature around 84 later today. And those winds around 15, 16 miles per hour. Definitely more of a breeze that's going to be drawing in that dry air. So a very, I'd say, refreshing breeze, comfortable breeze through much of our Friday. Skies have cleared off nicely. We are looking at high pressure between storm systems, and that's going to make for a really pleasant day today, at least until late tonight. Thunderstorm chances to the west, severe weather risk across the plains and even the Missouri Valley, but nothing for us. Now, we are going to see some thunderstorms late tonight, and marginal risk of severe weather. That is after midnight tonight for North Iowa, and then again for that same area again during the daylight hours tomorrow in the afternoon. We may see a couple of strong storms develop, but marginal risk, that's the lowest level severe threat in that 5-tiered system from the Storm Prediction Center. And again, that's for tomorrow. Looking at the rainfall totals from yesterday, we want to rehash that. Rochester 1.07 inches. Much needed rainfall. We hadn't had anything like that in 2 or 3 weeks. Mason City almost 2.5 inches. Southeast part of Rochester, or at least a couple of reports, more than 2 inches, but 2.95 is the highest I saw on the map. And it looks like we're going to get a break from the really heavy rain for a while, but we've at least made some progress. We're only a 1/4 inch below normal for the season so far, going back to June 1st, 5.74 inches for the last 6 weeks or so, and that's just about a 1/4 less than total normal amount. Here's a high-res future track. Tonight, around midnight, we start seeing some thunderstorms come in. Complex of storm activity for the west comes in overnight until about 7 tomorrow morning, and then we'll get a break. Another round comes in for the afternoon and evening hours. Some scattered hit and miss showers and storms tomorrow. Humidity not nearly as bad as recent days. Not the very humid 70-degree dew points. We're talking mid-60s to low 60s over the next 7 days, really, overall. Nothing we can't handle, I think, at this point. So high pressure doing its magic, bringing bright sunshine today. Northwest winds ahead of that high pressure, drawing in that drier, slightly more Canadian-like air. Thunderstorms late tonight. Those arrive in several western counties around 11 o'clock, much of the area from midnight until about 4 or 5 in the morning. And then by sunrise, showers are out of here. Then we see these hit or miss showers and thunderstorms around 11 or 12 o'clock. And then to the heart of the afternoon, just very scattered activity until about 9 in the evening. Then skies clear off. High pressure comes in again for Sunday. And here we are looking at the outlook for those storm chances. Some spots may see storms as early as maybe 11 o'clock tonight, but most of it around midnight until about 5 or 6 in the morning tomorrow. And then again around midday tomorrow, that is, until about 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, but not necessarily severe weather. Sunday, rain-free, low humidity again, and low 80s for high temperatures, so not nearly as hot as recent days. Today, mid-80s, still on the warm side, but not very humid. 84 in Rochester, 85 Mason City, and 83 in Preston. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. 8:53 the sunset for tonight. 84 the expected high. Then we drop back to the mid 60s tonight. Behind that high pressure area for today. Again, bright sunshine through the course of today. There are those thunder chances tonight, 64 overnight, west winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then tomorrow, scattered showers, a few thunderstorms, especially for the afternoon and early evening. Occasional sun, though. I think we're going to see at least a few hours of sunshine tomorrow. Northwest winds around 10, maybe 15 miles per hour. Overall weekend in a nutshell, low and mid 80s. Shower chances mainly confined to Saturday. Today looks great. Sunday, fantastic, especially if you're looking for a break from the heat and humidity. At least a little more on the normal side. 82 would be typical. 81 expected high Sunday. That would match yesterday for the coolest high temperature of the month of July so far. We've been otherwise way above average pretty much every day. But looking at low and mid 80s all of next week, and just a couple of rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday. Those rain chances coming up in the next week. In the meantime, I hope everybody has a great Friday. Enjoy the sunshine. And have a great weekend. Enjoy the break from oppressive heat and humidity. See you back here on Monday.